Row has erupted over posters at Ramlila Maidan during Baba Ramdev's agitation, showing his controversial aide Balakrishnan on a poster with India's greatest freedom fighters. Baba Ramdev's close aide Balakrishnan is in jail currently in connection with a fake passport case, and there is a huge controversy over him featuring in this poster with freedom fighters.
देखिए, इस बार तो जो टीवी पे मैंने देखा है उनका मंच थोड़ा छोटा है, नीचा है, ऊंचाई कम है, लेकिन जो बैनर्स उन्होंने लगाए वो दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण। महात्मा गांधी, शहीद भगत सिंह, सरदार पटेल, सुभाष चंद्र बोस, उनके चेहरों के साथ, उनकी तस्वीरों के साथ ऐसे लोगों की तस्वीर लगा दी है जिनके खिलाफ फ्रॉड के केसेस हैं और जो जेल के अंदर हैं।
Poster that has been put up in Ramlila Maidan where Balakrishna's picture is with our freedom fighters. Isn't it ironic?
It's surely a question that those who put up the picture must answer, not me, but they should answer this question.
देखिए, मैं मानता हूं कि ये कहीं ना कहीं आयोजकों की चूक हो सकती है और इस चूक को तत्काल ठीक करने की जरूरत है और ऐसी आंदोलन में किसी तरह का महापुरुषों का, क्रांतिकारियों का, जिन लोगों ने देश के लिए कुर्बानी दी है, उन शहीदों का अपमान किसी भी रूप में नहीं होना चाहिए। इसका भी ध्यान रखने की जरूरत है, अदरवाइज इससे आंदोलन का जो फोकस है वो कहीं ना कहीं डाइवर्ट होता है।
Madhav Das Gopalakrishnan on the phone line. Now, Madhav, reports that these posters have been removed after it has appeared in the media that they were put up in the first place. What has been the response from Baba Ramdev's organizers?
Well, really, at this point of time, what we do know is that this issue, of course, is something on which the government has been very critical as far as Baba Ramdev is concerned. It was the first day of his protest, and quite clearly, even though Baba Ramdev has adopted a sort of a soft line as far as the government is concerned, saying that he would not attack any political party or any particular person, that the fight was only against the entire issue of corruption and black money. Of course, despite all of that, we've seen the government come down very heavily as far as this entire provision, as far as this entire poster is really concerned, saying that it is unfortunate that a person who has a fraud case against him and who is in jail like Balakrishnan should really be jostling for space along with the photos of various freedom fighters, including the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi. That has really been the stand of the government, and quite clearly, of course, Baba Ramdev and his organizers have had to really, of course, pull off those posters with this sort of severe criticism coming in from the government side.